Hey guys, welcome to a YouTube helper. Today we're going to talk about choosing all the amounts of money you could receive as change. We've been talking about money in class this week. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's advance the slide. All right, I noticed with my problem it says that Kaylin bought a grilled cheese for $2.94. She paid the cashier $5. Choose all the amounts of money she could receive as change. I see that there are no amounts of money here because I need to do step 1 first. Step 1 is actually subtracting to find out how much change she's going to get back. I'm going to go ahead and put my $5 first because that's how much Kaylin is going to give the cashier. Underneath that, I'm going to put $2.94 because that's how much her grilled cheese costs. Next, I'm going to have to subtract in order to find out how much change that would be. I see that there's a 0 here. That's not going to help me subtract 4. And this 0 isn't going to be very helpful either. I come to the 5 and cross it out. It becomes a 4. That 10 that I borrowed just went over there. Now I have 10 to borrow. So I cross out this 10 and I place it right over here above the 4. 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 9 is 0. I'm dropping down my decimal point. 4 take away 2 is 2, and I drop down my $sign because I'm talking about money. Now I know in the next slide that I'm looking for $2.06. So let's move to step 2. We're at step 2 now, and we are needing to remember that we're looking for $2.06. All right. When I have 4 different boxes of change, I like to divide my paper into 4 places because I draw each of these amounts out before I count them. So let's get started. In the first box, I notice there's $1. There's 3 quarters, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write 25 cents inside each one of those because that's the value of that coin. Then I have a nickel. I'm ready now to start counting it. When I count them, I like to cross them off so I make sure that I got them all. This is $1, 25, and 25 more makes 50, 25 more makes 75, 5 more makes 80. So I have $1.80. I can see that $1.80 is not the $2.06 that I'm looking for, so I can cross this one out. I'm moving to the next one where I have $2. I have 1 nickel and 1 penny. So let's count this one. I have $1, $2, so I'm going to set that up. There's my $2. I have 5 and 1 more makes 6. I can see that this value matches the value that I'm looking for in change. I can't say that I'm completely done because I'm putting a check mark right there. Because the directions tell us to look for all the amounts of money that she could receive as change. So we need to keep looking. The next one is 8 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I almost forgot. I need to put 25 cents inside each circle because that is the value of each of the coins. Now my pen's not working so hot, so my 25s don't look very good. All right, next I need 6 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll put a penny inside each one. That's its value. All right, let's go ahead and count them. I see 25 and 25 makes 50, and 25 makes 75, and another 25 makes $1. I am going to circle my $. I notice here I have 25 and 25 makes 50, 25 more makes 75, and 25 more makes another $. So I'm going to circle this other $1 right there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm glad we went looking some more because this is $2.06. So right here, I need my $sign. Right here, I found another one that has a value of $2.06, but I'm not done. I have one more to check out. Here I have $1. I have 2 quarters. I have 4 dimes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those each have 10 in them. We haven't used a dime yet. I have 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. They have a value of 5. And I have 6 pennies again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Putting my penny inside there. All right, let's go ahead and count them. I have $1, 25, and 25 more makes 50. 10 makes 60. 10 makes 70. 10 makes 80. 10 makes 90. 5 makes 95. 5 more makes $2. $2.05, $2.06, $2.07, $2.08, $2.09, $2.10, $2.11. This shows me that I have $2.11. That is not the value that I'm looking for. I'm looking for $2.06. So I'm going to cross that out. All right, now I want to give you a chance to try this out on your own. I'm going to advance the slide, and we're going to take a look. Aiden bought a hot dog for $1.33. He paid the cashier $5. Choose all the amounts of money he could receive as change. Go ahead and you try this one, and I'll be waiting for you when you get back. Go ahead and stop the video. Okay, I hope that you tried this out, and I am very quickly going to show you what you should have found. First thing you should have done, after figuring out that $5 take away $1.33, we should have done that first. All right, I'll have to go into speed mode here. All right, this is 10, this is 7, that's a 6. We are looking for $3.67. All right, here we go. We had $2 bills. We had 5 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 4 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 2 pennies. 1, 2. All right, and if you counted those, it was 1, 2, 25, 50, 75, $1. So we have $2, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 66, 67. So we had $2.67. That is really close. Oh, no, it's not. It's $3, isn't it? $3.67. So that one matches. All right, let's try the next one. We have $3, 1, 2, 3, 1 quarter, 25, 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, 10, 10, 10, 1 nickel, which is 5, and 7 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. I'm writing kind of quick now. All right, we have $1, $2, $3. Maybe I better put that down. $3. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. $3.67. That makes this one correct as well. Let's go to the next one. We have 1, 2, $3 bills, 2 quarters, 25, 25, 1 dime, which is 10, and 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and when I count these, I see that I have 1, 2, 3, better put that down, 25, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 365. Close, but not correct. Let's move to the last one. $1 bill. We have 8 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inside here is 25. My 25s are looking a little messy. All right, and you know what I'm going to do before I even move anymore? I'm going to go ahead and circle because I know that's $1 and I know that's $1. I have 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and inside here was 10 for each of them. Oops, you can barely see my zeros. All right, and then I have 1 nickel, 5, and 2 pennies, 1, 1, and we're going to count them. We had $3. Here's 1. This is $1, 2. This was $1, 3. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67. So we have $3.67 here as well. There were 3 of them. Did you get all 3? I hope so. And more importantly, I hope you're better at counting money. Have a good night.